Hey ballers, welcome back to the channel. On this episode, we will be installing a Cobra detachable sissy bar.
Boy, that sure sounds good.
Hey ballers, welcome back to the channel. If you like our content, go ahead and give us a like. And if you really like our content, well, go ahead and subscribe. So hey, if you've watched any of my other videos, going through, doing some work on the 2019 Sport Glide, I purchased this bike only a few weeks ago. Unfortunately, the weather hasn't been cooperating too well with me here in North Texas, and over the last couple weeks, it's been a lot of rain and not really conducive to riding. So that being said, we did a little bit of work on the bike. If you watched my other video on the installation of this Saddlemen Explorer seat, you saw how easy it was to install the Saddlemen, and I can only tell you that it's a very comfortable seat. And again, it's a custom seat from Saddlemen, so you're going to order off their site. And while I got gray stitching on here, you can get everything from blue to green to yellow, or kind of whatever you want on it. However, when I installed the seat, the sissy bar that comes on this bike, which is detachable, it's from Harley, you can see that it just makes to the top of the Saddlemen. The stock seat that was on there, we probably had about, I'd say an inch and a half below this. So that tells you how much more padding is on this seat. Problem with this sissy bar is when my passenger gets on there, my wife, it basically is hitting her in the tailbone. There's really no support for her. And she does feel like, she's gonna come off the bike. So went ahead and purchased a Cobra detachable sissy bar that is, I forget what they call it. It's a long version of the Cobra. So it's a little high, it sits up higher. So we're trying to get this backrest to not be here, but maybe be up this high. And this sissy bar should take care of that. Now, when you're looking at sissy bars, they're coming in two flavors, right? They're coming in detachable, or they're coming in, you're permanently gonna fix to the bike. If I didn't have the detachable saddlebags that's on here, then I would have gone for a different sissy bar, something that was much higher, that I could kind of customize where the backrest pad would be. But because I have the saddlebags on here that are quick release, I needed a sissy bar that was going to go onto the same grommets on the side of it and detach as well. So I have the Cobra over here. It's going to be a little bit little taller, and when you get it out of the box, it's all in pieces. It comes with these two side panels. You basically got to put the bracket on here, tighten it down, and then it's going to come with four of these, two for each side. Pretty easy, straightforward install. We'll go over that right now. I'm going to take off the saddlebags and take off the other units like these, and we'll attach this one and we'll be good to go. So first thing I'm going to do is take off that sissy bar, get it to come out of here. Bring that over here, throw it down, and on this bike, you have to take off on this on the Sport Glide. If you're looking to take these bags off, obviously you got to unlock it, but on this lock you have to pull out and then it unlocks. And of course there's a grommet right down here that it attaches to, and then of course here on the back side. So I just push in a little bit to get this to come up. Where is it? No, pull it back. Push it, pull it back. That's one. And then we do the same thing on the other side. We're going to replace these. Again, pull out, that comes up. And I just pull it back, and off it comes. Kind of up and back. And then the next thing we do is you're going to take this and this off, as well as the other side. To get to those, you just have to reach up under your fender here and take those off. So let me grab my star bit. T40. All right, so you're gonna need a T40 to take them off. And I got my other wrench over here, and it's just a Allen 7/32 to put those on. All right. All right, so for some reason my GoPro decided to die on me right in the middle of, or tail end of this video. So we put both these mounts on the back, the back and the front. And once that's in, and again, they go in real easy. Now I can just take my seat, and you can see I got my bag on the one side already, just making sure that it all fits. This seat's a little skinnier than the stock one that came with it. But essentially, I'm just going to push it down here and just make sure I'm not banging in there too much. Pull it out. And there you go. And now, as you can see on the old backrest, you know, it basically came right to here. So I'm getting another, you know, 4 to 5 inches out of this one. So that should be, you know, pretty good for any passenger that's going to be on there. Hit them kind of right there in the upper middle of the back. You know, maybe the small of the back right here. But either way, much better. And it's not going anywhere. So that's how you install the Cobra. Again, if you like our videos, give us a like. And if you really like our videos, we'll go ahead and subscribe. Thanks.